Welcome to Henry's Show.
Hi, I'm your friend Henry. Today we're going to learn the final unit in Smart Phonics 1, Unit 8, workbook. Number 1, up. Number 2, this is a sun. Number 3, yacht. Number 4, vest. Number 5, top. Number 6, watch. Number 7, box. Yes, it's a little tricky. X. Box begins with B sound, right? But we need to circle that. It ends. And if it ends with X, you still need to circle X. So we need to remember box, fox. Yes, you remember this word. In the test, this more trickier question will come than this. Even this is not like an X, it's like an A, B, C, D, E. Another word, another 25 letters. Sometimes they make us confused too in the test. Number 8, C. Number 9, window. Number 10, under. This is a prepositional word. Number 11, zebra. Number 12, face. Number 13, 0. Number 14, fox. Remember this, okay? 10, number 15. Number 16, yo-yo. Yo-yo. U. It's a lowercase u, dummy. Circle capital U. Now under. See, it's the same as as capital. But I think you don't need to care about this. And this is still a lowercase. Face. 3. W. Watch. Number 4, we have a capital X, circle lowercase x. 6. Y. Yellow. Z. Zoo. Great. W. Window. Fox. Window. X. Box. Y. 0. Yacht. Z. Zebra. Watermelon. Zebra. Now, turn to page. Match and write. Box and 6 both ends with the X sound. Now, number 2, this is a window. Let's find another word that starts with W. Watermelon. W. Number 3, 0. Let's find another word that begins with C. There. Number 4, yo-yo, yellow. Number 1, WXYZ, what's your thing? X, fox ends with X sound. Number 2, zebra, begins with Z sound. Some people say number 1, fox finish with X sound. Yes, finishes. Same like and. The same letter like and. Number 3, this is a watch. Number 4, this is a yacht. I need to color this. For the beginning or ending letters, Y. 6. So we need to write this because. Why do we need to write this? Because this end. I said remember. 6, fox, box. Watermelon. Box. Window. Yes, in tests, some people will make this mistake, same like me, even if it's not a test. Some people will make mistake in the workbook too, so you really need to be careful. X, fox. Now let's draw. W, watch. Let's watch. For wearing a watch. Inside the big watch, it looks like a float to this person. Now X Yeah, sometimes some people will be funny, so I want to draw this. 6. Why? I cannot draw color yellow. If you want to draw yellow, you have to color it all this yellow. But I cannot do like this. So, yeah, let's draw a boat. This is more smaller. If it's more top, this looks smaller, smaller, smaller. This is a yacht. And Z. This is a 0. 0! Now, strange page. You have to write one more, 2 more. 2 more. Okay. W, X. I think let's write 2 more. 2 more. 4. I think let's write 1 more there. And W. W, X, Y, Z. You have to write 2 more times. W, X, Y, Z. W, X, Y, Z. Right. 2 more times there too. W, X, Y, Z. W, X, Y, Z. Now, we're just going to trace it. We're not going right there, okay? M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now let's sing A, B, C, D, F, G, yes. All the 26 letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Know my, A, B, C. Next time, won't you sing with me? Yes, we learned 8 units finally. Now next time we're going to learn review 2 after that. Smart Phonics 2. This we learned level 1. And we're going to learn Smart Phonics 2 now. Thank you for watching Henry's show. Please subscribe it. Thank you. Bye.